Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So this is our second video of Azure Data Factory RealTime scenario playlist. Okay. So I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are doing practice. Okay. So if you are preparing for interview or data engineering, you need to learn ADA database. Okay. So that's why we are preparing this, and there are multiple playlists in our CognitiveCoders channel. So, yeah, if you have not seen the videos, you can visit our channel and go through the video. It will be very much helpful for getting a interview and to understand the real time scenario based on current market. Okay. So let's go. So in today's video, we'll try to understand this scenario, that how to copy latest or last modified file from ADLS Gen2 to the ADLS. Okay. So let's go. The scenario is basically we have in our demo container we have one source. Okay. In our source, you can see we have three files. Okay. Irrespective of the file name, we need to consider modified time and date. So the latest file, how I will get? So we have 28 rows data, 28 rows data, 1 p.m. it is 12:57 p.m. data. Okay. And this is the data. This is the data which is on 8 September. It most recent data. So we need to make one system or mechanism using ADA that whenever the pipeline will run, we consider the latest file. 8 September file. Okay. Let's go create one pipeline for this first. So in our pipeline, let's create one pipeline. Here first we will take metadata for getting file names or whatever it is, or source file, and we will create one data set for that. Okay. Let's see the file. So data set here. Source file. Insert I have given. Select path. Insert file path. And we consider all the files and the source file. Here in the field list, I will click child item. Child item means it will consider all the items, all the file names under the source folder. Okay. Under the data set, whatever data set we have pointed out, under that whatever child items here, it will consider all of them. Okay. So if I will run this, we do not know how what thing I will get. Yes. We are getting child item, we are getting file name, whatever file name it exists. Direct okay. See file names, we will type this file name. Now, for this getting the most recent file, we need two variables for the comparison purpose. That if you are not able to understand, you will be able to understand later also. So first, I need to show you. Okay, we will consider two variables. One is latest file variable. Latest file variable. Second one is reference. Time. Okay. So in reference time, we will keep one date time, which is long time back for the comparison purpose. purpose. Okay, with this one we'll make the comparison with our latest data data. Okay. So if you are not able to understand this, we will understand once I do the conclusion. Okay, it will be few patience. Okay, so it's done. Next, for each and every output, as you have seen that in output, we are getting each and every file. Okay, so each and every file we need to pass through one loop. We will consider take one for loop. Okay, for example, for each. Okay, for each loop we will take here. Okay. So in for each loop, what we will pass? We will pass whatever child item we will get from get metadata one. Okay. So let's go here. We will pass get metadata one activity out. Okay. Then sorry, not get metadata one activity output. We will then give all the output. We will consider the child items. Okay. So the thing will be like this. How many child items you will get in the output? Means how many files you will get in the source folder? That much of time this for loop will do its looping. Okay, will run for that much of time. Okay, so under that, what will do? What that same for each and every file we need to get the file name and modified time for our comparison. Okay, so for that also once again we'll take get metadata. Okay, so here once again I'm taking get metadata and get one data set. So So we create one data set because here we need to pass the file name, whatever file name that we will get it from the get metadata one. So that's why we go the same. We are not giving any specific just file name. Okay, file name wala data set. Then so it will be same. Okay, so just we are considering the source path. Okay, so file name will be pass sorry, okay, the dynamic variable. Okay. So for that, what we will do? We'll take for that what we will do? We'll take for creating file name parameter. What we will do? We will obtain the link service. Okay. Under that link service, we will create the parameter. Okay. Because we will pass the parameter in that link service only. So it will be file name. Okay. So file name. Next, if we go to here at dynamic content file name. Okay, so we will pass the file name. Now, when you come here, you can see the file name you will get. This file name it will come from for each. Okay, for each child item. Okay. for each child item, and under the child item, our file name it is coming under name. So this we need to pass. Okay, so I think you are understanding what I am doing. Okay, so here it is done, and R, and in argument here we will consider here taking with fill list argument we will consider last modified, because we need to compare the last modified date and time with our previously saved reference date time. Okay, so I'm considering this. Okay, so now what we'll do, we for comparison we'll use if else activity. Okay, we'll use if else activity. Before that also one thing, for each and every modified date and time we need to take the file name also. Okay, so for that we will take item name also. Okay, now if I'll run the whole thing once again, what thing it will give me in the output, let's see. Let's see. Using for each 3 times has executed the get metadata tool. Okay, the last one still is going on. That is something. So here three child items we are getting. Okay, after that it is going to for each loop. It is going to for each loop, and in for each loop I have already configured the get metadata tool. No, in get metadata tool. Okay, I'm getting. Okay, I'm getting get metadata tool 3 times executed. Okay, so here I should get the file 1.m1. Let me check. Okay, we are getting it. We are just overlook last modified uh, time and last modified item name. Okay, so this thing what we'll do in using if else condition, we will take last modified date and time, and we'll compare this thing in our reference with our reference date. If the last modified date and date is greater than our reference date and time, then we'll change the reference date and time with our last modified. We'll replace the reference date and time with last modified. Okay, and our file name would be replaced by item name. Okay, so this logic will apply once it is greater than reference date and time. Okay, and that's why we keep the reference date and time very much older date. Okay, okay, so let's go. You will able to understand. Just see what I am doing. So if else, if condition. So I'm taking if condition here. So activity where it is greater function will take. Okay, so I'm not able to find out that here. So I'm writing it here. Greater like this. Greater I am getting it. Greater function. Greater function will consider, and here first we need to pass get metadata to. Here I have not attached it, so I am not getting the get metadata to variable. Now we will get metadata to variable also. last modified, it will be last modified or taken, and the second one would be parameter reference date time. Okay. It will be my pipeline variable, whatever it is here. Okay. So this means activity is get metadata to last modified date. If it is greater than pipeline parameter, the reference date time, whatever you have selected that parameter variable. If it is greater than that, it is true, then we need to do some do some aggregation or activity here. Or if it is false, then only whatever transformation we need to perform, that is false condition. Okay. So here, once it is true, we'll save the variable. We'll use the save variable concept here. Once it is true, check why save variable. Save variable will just consider one thing. We just need to want to change. Just I did the mistake. Okay. So here, the thing will be parameter variable, not parameter level. Okay. So this thing I will take it in the variable level. Okay. Pipeline variable, it will need to, okay, not a parameter. Just changing it. That's why I was not set variable. And I have changed it from parameter to variable. I need to make the changes here also. Okay. Variable. Okay. Correct for this. Now it's fine. Okay. Let's go. Everything is fine. Now for true condition, I will make the changes. For true condition, I will make current pipeline modified date time as reference date time. Okay, reference date time. So value to be okay. Data activity true modified date time. Okay. This will be my change. Okay. Next, we take another set variable activity for changing the file name variable. Okay. So let's take it. Got it. Connect it. Okay. Next, file name, latest file will be our whatever get created last modified it here, and item name will consider. Now it's done. Okay. So whatever file name date time would be latest, that latest time would be replaced with the reference date time, so that reference date time will be updated with latest latest time stamp, and based on that, that same file name will also be updated with latest file variable. Okay. So after that, what we'll do here, we'll consider one of the activities, or once this for each loop for each and every get metadata child item, it will run. So we get the latest modified date time and file name also. So that file name will consider will pass through the copy activity for copying that file. Okay. So here if I this copy source should be the file name. So here the file name value one variable only we can consider latest file. Okay. So the file name we get from the variable whatever will be the latest file name. Okay, and then for the C we will create one new data set. Okay. Set container CSV file data set okay. Go to here sync and we create file in under that it will go. Okay, I'm showing you how the thing just creating data set. So I will create here first. I will create one parameter, parameter here latest file. Okay, latest file name latest file. Okay, so and here now whatever file name it will come from here, that will be the latest file name. Okay, so latest file. Okay, now things start. So till copy activity it is done. Okay, so what we will do first, I'm doing I'm running the pipeline till for each loop. Okay, after that we will consider the copy. Okay, in metadata we get in history file, child data, then for each loop for each and every child data. For each loop we run and get metadata. Last modified data and item name we got it. Okay, last modified data and item name we got it. After that, for each last modified file and modified date time, we pass to the if condition. Okay. And after that, for the state variable name also is changing. Okay. You can see latest file. It is value is the date time also changing. The file name also is changing. Okay. So now we try to run the full pipeline here. Making the blockage. Okay. First I see in 145. See the Australia is the latest modified. Australia wants to go. Okay, done. Now if I run it once again, it almost only the Australia file should pop to my C program. Okay, till now it is not came. Let's see the output. The pipeline is running still. So, so let's see, pipeline is still running. If any condition after that set variable, the variables are changing, depending state and date time is changing based on the current value. Okay, so in set variable to file name is also changing latest file name. Okay, so now once the final latest file it has considered. Okay, then it has executed the copy activity. Okay, so let's go refreshing it. I am coming. So one thing I missed here, you see also latest file you have selected here, the service latest file. So I can also consider this, and that is quite easy here. Let's go. You have the pipeline of the experience. Okay, I'm done. It's done. Once it is done, then come back. It is running. Okay. So the pipeline has run successfully. Now if I see one all the get metadata child items, it has executed the get metadata tool for getting the last modified date and time, date time and item name. After that, it has executed the if condition and set variable 1 and 2. So condition 1, condition 1, there it was in source file. So for the first get metadata activity, get second one was medium, and third one I think sorry, the first one UK, second one I considered Australia, and third one whenever the condition executed based on the most latest file, it has considered a the condition, and it has set the variable Australia variable, and for the state time also consider the variables price state time. Okay, so after that you get the copy activity, check the rest of the data, and now we have refreshed now the invoicing part, the Australia invoice item here. Let's see the data. Let's see we have anything or not. It has appeared complete data. Okay. So using this way, this method, you can copy your latest modified file. Okay. So the method is definitely should be really handy. Okay. So for each and every activity, it is most complicated thing. So once you will do the handle, you will be able to understand more. Okay. and they will be able to think for the new. If you have any new problem, for that also you will going to think in your mind that which activity we should use and how the it would be related, the activity should be connected for getting the correct data. This concept would be clear for you. It will be hands-on. Okay. If you are facing any kind of challenges, you can really connect with me via Cognite or LinkedIn. You can directly mail me if any specific problem you are facing challenges to solve that. Okay. So thank you for watching our video. If you have not subscribed or